Hello and welcome back to Bike's YouTube channel. Today you join me and Nathan and we are working on Tina Turner. We are continuing with this original rock roll and we're going to take it down further and we're going to sort of give it a nice bermed edge, and then yeah, that bank down there will also berm as well. So yeah, we shall crack on with that. Hopefully you'll enjoy seeing us place and unplace rocks all day as we try to make it fit properly. Yeah, let's get to it. So Nathan, what do we look for when we're getting the rock?
Oh, what we are looking for in a good rock. It's always nice to have a nice pretty one like this, like granite. I don't actually know what it is, but it looks pretty, so that's a good one. Chuck that in there. Big ones, obviously, they come in handy. Nice flat top. It is a red trail, so we don't want jaggedy all going on. So yeah, look at this one. Nice and square. No punches. That's what we look for in a good rock.
So we're doing well with the rock roll, making our way down with it, as you can see. But Nathan's got something he'd like to share with you guys.
I have a new hoe. It has many puns on it, which the boys have treated me to. I've been away for the weekend, and I've come back to my new hoe, and they've decorated it nicely. Hey, oh, let's go. Nathan's only hoe, because my wife is a sophisticated lady. All swing, no ding. Let's have a good hoe down, but nice try.
Go on then, let's see it in action.
Yeah, I'm going to take out this stump. First swing of the new hoe. This sticks out a little bit too far for me, so she's coming off. All swing, no ding. Oh, don't film that. Let's skip that one. And these people use mattocks.
Want to just clarify that is a piece of rotted wood and he's not actually very strong, and
that's firm. Try get a mattock through that.
Well, there we go, Nathan's new hoe for you, everyone.
Right, so we're looking good. We've got those rocks up on the camber like that, and obviously all the rocks start getting smaller as you get to the bottom, but now we're creating a kind of a drainage patch here for the water to flow over, so rocks need to sit under that. So yeah, I'm going to put in a plank of wood, create a little channel for the wood to sit in, so then the water doesn't flow under the rocks, it pushes over the top, and yeah, and then it doesn't destroy the trail and we don't get a stupid rut in there. But yeah, we're looking good. More rocks.
Right then, rock roll done. Then got the bit of the paving done, so it's all covered in dirt still. But we shall wash that off and hopefully the rain will do us some good there. And now we're making a start on this berm. We've already cut into the bank a bit. Yeah, chucking it up on top as Nathan is there, dragging it down. That way we get our nice berm shape. Sorted.
Right, so that's it. Job's a good one for today. So today, let's have a little summary of what's happened. We've done the top berm again, dragged all the nice dirt from there. That goes up there, and now we've got a beautiful shape that flings you around here into this gully, which used to be really deep, but now I've leveled it all nice. So that's just nice and leveled down. And that goes into a little bit of an upslope, just so all the water drains down there and not over this rock roll. So we filled in backside of that. Everything that side of the route is filled in, so now it's nice and safe. You don't really need to think about where you put your tyres on the other side of it, which is always a surprise in the bottom of a bomb hole. So yeah, that makes it a little bit safer, a little bit nicer to ride. And then with this, I've pulled the trail out a couple of feet that way, bermed it, so then we come out wide into that last berm over there. So yeah, lots of rock came out of this, which is always fun. But yeah, it's looking good. We're making progress, a lot more to go. So yeah, unfortunately Tina Turner is going to be closed for the foreseeable future, so guys, please stop riding it. It just makes a lot more effort for us when we have to come in and just fix tyre marks, because people have just gone through the tape and ridden it anyway, which is highly annoying. But yeah, it's going to be closed for a while, but when it is open, it's going to be mwah, perfecto. So yeah, that's everything for today. Please hit that subscribe button, get us up to 500 subscribers. That would be fantastic. And yeah, like the video, comment, and yeah, see you in the next one. Peace.